Hi dear Pisces, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and now this time this is a reading for career, health, finances and love as well. So I'll do the love reading separately in detail, but I will check the energy for singles and relationship person. Okay, relationship with anybody, any person. So let's start with your reading Pisces, and this is a reading for September from 1st of September till the end of September. Okay, let's start. Uh, how's your career going to be? Pisces, your career, if you are doing some kind of business or self-employed, let's see the energy for the month. Let's see. Devil, Pisces. You're feeling like you're in some kind of toxic environment in your business. Regarding your business, the partnership is toxic. This is not going anywhere. There are negative people around you. The environment is negative, and I'm not able to do what the hell I decided for myself. I'm not able to do that. So you are going to feel like this, Pisces. Might be you're dealing with a Capricorn, and this Capricorn is giving you very hard time of your life regarding your business. I feel like you are in a collaboration with somebody. You are so much dependent or codependent on this person that you are not able to do anything without them, and you will suddenly realize this thing. Okay, so in your business, regarding your business life, I feel like by the end of September, you are going to realize that this is toxic. The environment is toxic. I should not be this much codependent on anybody. I should just do my own work. I should just work on myself. I should just have an independent life regarding your business. Okay, the environment will be toxic, codependence is there. Let's say if you're doing job, what will be your energy if you're doing job, Pisces? Let's see. Seven of Cups, looking for options in your job. So Pisces, if you are in a stable job right now, or unstable too, I don't know, but you are looking for options in your job. You are feeling like I should apply it for so as many jobs as possible because I'm not happy in the environment right now. You're looking for options, and I feel like by the end of September you will get some options as well. But let me tell you, I don't feel like this is going to be a very good option for you. You will finally feel like let's restart. Let's start all over again. Let's see. So by the end of September, I don't feel like you will be able to decide which is the best option for you. What should I do? Or it might also be possible that you are trying to change your line completely. Whatever you're doing, you are just feeling like I should just change my line, or I should just restart my, career or my job or something like that. But you're looking for options in your life, and you are not at all in a stable job environment right now. That's why obviously you're looking for options, right? Or if you're a fresher, you're looking for jobs and like sending your resumes here and there and like waiting for the interview thing to happen. This is the thing. So regarding your job as well, I feel like there will be much of stability here, but yeah, looking for jobs is there, and I feel like you will get some offers too, one or two. Cool. So let's see how's your health going to be, Pisces. Let's see how's your health going to be in September. Stuck somewhere. Okay, waiting for something very eagerly. Okay, I feel like you're just waiting for some kind of holistic approach or some kind of holistic treatment, because you're suffering from a disease from a very long time. For some people, I feel like 7 years. Might be you're suffering from this disease from fucking 7 years. For some of you, it's 7 to 8 months, and you are just waiting for something or someone to tell you that this is the medicine, or this is the course that you should take, or this is the alternate therapy that you should use, and you're just waiting for the results. I feel like you have applied, or you are talking to so many doctors, or you are talking to so many people right now, and you're just waiting which one is good, waiting for something to happen, for some kind of results. Might be you just get a body checkup or health checkup or something like that. You're just waiting for the results. What will be there, what will be there, or you were suffering from a disease from a very long time. Now you're just waiting like when I will be okay. You're stuck. You're just trying. I feel like you're trying alternate therapies, Pisces. You're trying alternate therapies here. Might be you're moving yourself towards Ayurveda or Panchkarma or something like that. Okay, or something spiritual, just to get out of this disease, just to get out of this waiting period. You are just waiting for your health to be okay from a very long time, and I feel like you are going to try some kind of alternative therapies, and that's going to work out for you. You just have to change your perspective. You just have to change the way you are having the treatments, alternate therapies. So try Ayurveda. It's the best thing. Try Ayurveda or something else that you are doing right now. Apart from that, try something else regarding your health. Okay. And I feel like there will be stability issues as well, stability, financial stability issues as well, and that's taking a toll on your health as well. That you have to deal with. God, give me a second, please. Cool. How's your finances going to be in September, Pisces? Your finances, how they're looking? Let's see. High Priestess and Judgment. Okay, you are in some kind of financial problem right now, and you're not telling this to anybody. Sorry. So you're not telling this financial problem to anybody. You are keeping everything with yourself, within yourself, and you are like, okay, I will recover from the past. I will recover some kind of money or some kind of finances from the past investments, or if you have given money to somebody, you will recover that money from somebody. Okay, but you are right now dealing with some kind of financial problem, and I feel like throughout the September thing, you are going to deal with this situation, and you will try to recover the money that you have spent, might be, or that you have given on loan or something like that to anybody. You will try your best to recover that money, and I feel like that money will come to you. I don't feel like the whole money will come to you, but money will start coming to you. Okay, from the past investments might be, or past, if you give money to somebody like that. I don't feel like you are going to be in a very very beautiful situation financially, but yeah, this is the thing. It's kind of intense month for you, Pisces. Very intense month for you. Correct. Let's see, Pisces, if you're in your love life, the energy for you, and I will do the detailed reading for you guys very soon. Okay, let's see, Pisces, if you are in a relationship with somebody, what's your energy if you are in a relationship with somebody? Let's see. Two of Pentacles. Juggling, constantly juggling. Might be constantly juggling between yes or no, or might you are having two people around you who are equally important to you, or who are having equal potential of becoming a life partner or becoming something in your life. So you are constantly juggling in a confused state of mind. I don't feel like you are going to take a decision by the end of September that what you have to do regarding your love life, but you will be constantly juggling. Okay, let's see if you're single. What will be the energy if you're single? Let's see. Pisces. Nine of Pentacles. You will shift your focus towards money and business and job, because anyway I feel like your money and your like finances are fucked up and messed up totally. You should just focus on the money aspect of your life, and you are doing just like that. You are just doing like that. Okay, Pisces. So yeah, you will try your best to look good, feel good, and shift your focus on your business or job or money only. Okay, although this is a love energy that I was checking, but I feel like, Pisces, you will feel like I will see the love part later on, but now I want stability in my life. That's why you will just shift your focus towards the business or job thing, or towards your financial stability. Okay, so thank you so much, Pisces, for tuning in. I'll see you soon, very soon, in the next video for love and relationship. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste, bye.